Soccer DBB number 13. This is for 2015-16 Topps Champions League Showcase. Here are your spots, guys. The teams will be randomized. Right now, first, the not so good teams. Dice roll for both randoms is 7 times. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last and final time. Good luck. 7. We have Ghent on top and Eindhoven at the bottom. To our list. And the good teams, guys. Good luck on the good teams. Also 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last and final time. Good luck. 7. We have Bayern on top and Chelsea at the bottom. So here are your teams, guys. Tom gets Bayern, Gerardo Barca, Sergio gets Man U, Man City, Mauro gets Juve, René gets Atletico, Lars gets Arsenal and AC Milan, Luis gets Real Madrid, Sergio gets Gladbach, Tom gets Chelsea, Tom gets Ghent, Gerardo gets Galatasaray, Sergio Sevilla combo, Mauro gets Olympiacos, René gets Malmö, Lars gets Paris and Porto combo, Luis gets Astana, Sergio gets Moscow, and Thomas gets Eindhoven. So good luck, guys. On to the break. And then we have one more before we move to black gold soccer, guys. Pick your team case break number 8. Still some teams left. If we can fill it, we break it today. Tomorrow we got a huge lineup with Euro Prism Select, Premier Gold twice. What else? And lots of single breaks. So I hope we can fill black gold today. It's already late now, so we got 2 of these left, and then we move on to the case. Grab your teams. They are available here in the group. Black gold. Time for Messi or Ronaldo. The last 2 cases, Italy were pretty loaded. So we have pulled some nice stuff. USA was pretty good last time. Got a Carly Lloyd to 25, which sold for $180, guys. The sell value on this product is really, really sick. You don't expect, okay, you think Carly Lloyd, wow, huh? A woman soccer player autograph, nothing special. And then you sell it and get $180, so it's not bad. And there are lots of types of autographs that sell so good. So, all right, first up, DBB number 13, guys. Good luck. Here we go. We have Barca Mascherano. We have to 99 Malmö Tinnerholm. Malmö, who's Malmö? René Renat. Berlin Cards has Malmö. We got Lars Bender for Leverkusen. We have Guardado for PSV. We got John Terry, Chelsea. This is auto. We have David Luiz for Paris Saint-Germain. We got Igor Akinfev, and there's the autograph behind it. Everybody knows that card. Everybody knows that it's Finn Bogason for Olympiacos, and Olympiacos is going to Morrow. Morrow with Olympiacos. Not numbered. All right, second mini. We got Sergio Ramos, Real Madrid, and here's the autograph already. Come on, give us a big autograph today. We have Iniesta, Barca. We got Francesco Totti for Roma, and to 50 for Astana, Nenad Eric. Astana, and that is Luis and combo. Nenad Eric. We got Iniesta for Barca. We got Silva for Paris Saint-Germain. Roberto for Olympiacos. And last autograph for this box, good luck, is going to Bayern. And that is Javi Martinez. And that is Tom. Husky Tom. Thomas Murphy gets Bayern autograph from this box. All right, that's it for number 13. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.